Hello everyone. Today I am hereby to give a presentation on single stage reciprocating air compressor. And myself, I am G. Sainer Reddy, having a pin number of 21955582109. Abstract of this presentation. Air compressors are used as versatile tool throughout the industry for a variety of purposes. They are used for various applications in manufacturing plants such as driving pneumatic tools, air operated controlling equipment, conveying of fly ash, etc. So in this presentation I am going to discuss about single stage reciprocating compressors and classification of compressors, components of single stage reciprocating compressor, and important terms used in air compressor. Now let us discuss into it. Now let us get into a topic, an introduction. An air compressor is a machine used to compress the air and to raise its pressure. The compressed air is used for many purposes such as operating pneumatic drills, rivets, road drills, paints, spraying, in starting and supercharging of internal combustion engines, in gas turbine plants, jet engines and air motors, etc. It is also utilized in the operation of lifts, ramps, pumps, and a variety of other devices. In industries, compressed air is used for producing blast of air in blast furnace and vessel converters. Classification. They are mainly classified into two types of compressor. Compressor is classified two types. They are reciprocating compressor, and the reciprocating compressor is further classified into two types. One is single stage and multi stage, and the other is rotary compressors. Now let us discuss about reciprocating compressors. Reciprocating compressors use cylinders with piston inside them. Each cylinder has a closed end next to the cylinder head and is fixed at the other end with a movable pistons. The valves of the cylinders are located at the bottom of the compression valve pocket. During the first stage of compression, air moves into the cylinder via a suction valve triggered by a momentum of piston. Thus, this created a vacuum. It is a figure of reciprocating air compressor. Then the piston that reverses its motion, fulfilling the reciprocating part of the name, and begins compressing the air in the process. Once the cylinder interior pressure exceeds the pressure in the discharge pipes, valves opens and allow air out of the cylinder. Classification of reciprocating air compressor. They are mainly classified into two. One is single stage reciprocating air compressor and second is multi-stage reciprocating air compressor. First, single stage reciprocating air compressor. A single stage reciprocating compressor has a set of valves at the top and there is one compression cycle for every revolution of the crankshaft. Here the piston starts moving from top dead center, which is known as TDC, where it is the topmost position of the topmost position in the piston can reach it, and other is BDC, in which it is known as bottom dead center. The next, it is an working stage. It is a figure in which it shows about the working of single stage reciprocating air compressor. Then from the figure we can able to come across when the piston moves from top dead center towards the bottom dead center, the pressure in the cylinder falls below the atmospheric pressure, and due to the pressure difference across the suction valve overcomes the spring force and opens to air into the cylinder. As the piston moves from BDC towards TDC, the air is slowly pressurized and the spring loaded suction valve closes. When the piston approaches the TDC, the pressure of the air is sufficient to overcome the spring force of the discharge valve, and hence the discharge valve opens to allow the air out of the cylinder. At increased pressure, the cylinder becomes empty, the discharge valve closes and the piston is ready to move towards BDC. Single stage reciprocating air compressor components. The main components of single-stage reciprocating air compressors are inlet and discharge valve. The inlet valve used for sucking the air into the compressor chamber. The discharge valve uses for discharging the compressed air into receiver or storage tank. Piston. This part of the compressor uses for the compression of air. Connecting rod. This compression component uses for controlling the movement of the piston. The connecting rod connects the piston and the crankcase. It is used to rotate the piston from air compressor. The crankshaft directly connects with electric motor. It is the figure in which it shows the components of a single stage compressor count. Important terms used in air compressor. Inlet pressure. It is the absolute pressure of air at the inlet of a compressor. Discharge pressure. It is the absolute pressure of the air at the outlet of a compressor. Compression ratio. It is the ratio of discharge pressure to inlet pressure. Since the discharge pressure is always more than inlet pressure, therefore the compression ratio is more unity. At last, compressor capacity. It is the volume of air delivered by the compressor. Free air delivery. It is the actual volume delivered by a compressor when reduced to normal temperature and pressure conditions. The capacity of a compressor is generally given in terms of free air delivery. Swept volume. It is the volume of air sucked by a compressor during a suction stroke. Mean effective pressure. It is the ratio of work done per cycle to the stroke volume of a compressor. Conclusion. Air compressors are used as versatile tool throughout the industrial for a variety of purposes. They are used for various operations or application in manufacturing plants such as driving pneumatic tools, air operated controlling equipment, conveying of fly ashes, etc. They can use in gas stations and various manufacturing plants. This compressor also used for liquid transfer application. It is mainly used for low flow rate and high pressure places. In single stage reciprocating compressor, the air compressor completes in a single stage. It uses only one cylinder for compression and it also uses only one piston for pumping the air. These compressors provide power to pneumatic tools such as air malayers, ratchet, wrencher, and spray guns. It generates less heat by utilizing more air. This power to compressor requires less energy to run as compared to double stage compressor. Thank you.